Hello and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a virtual machine and install Ubuntu 24 desktop in Proxmox 8. First you need to download installation media. Open link from description, scroll down and click download Ubuntu desktop. Click download 24 version. Once you downloaded installation media, go to local Proxmox, ISO images, upload, and upload your Ubuntu installation. When you see task OK, you can close this window. Select your machine and click console. Start now. Enter. Click install Ubuntu. Choose your language. Choose your keyboard. Next. 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 You can check both checkboxes. Next. Next. Choose your name. You can edit your computer name. Choose your password. Hit next. Choose your time zone. And install. Now click restart now. Now you need to remove installation medium. Go to hardware, CD drive, remove. Go back to console, press enter. Now you can log in with your password. Installation is completed. Click next, 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 finish. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.